hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today, we are going to read a book from the amazing Peppa Pig collection. Let's see what is today's book is. Oh, we have too little to read. Now, I'm going to choose this greeny one to read today. Da 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 da. Granny Pig's chickens. Let's read. Granny Pig's chickens. Peppa and George are very excited. Tonight they are sleeping at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Peppa and George take a look at their bedroom. It was your mummy's room when she was a little piggy, Granny Pig explains. Out in the garden, Grandpa Pig proudly shows Peppa and George the vegetables he has grown. But there is a bare patch of earth where Grandpa Pig's lettuce ought to be. Meet Jemima, Sarah and Vanessa, says Granny Pig, as three hens come to pick at the bare earth. Those hens ate my lettuce, complains Grandpa Pig. Peppa and George give the chickens some corn and lead them back towards the chicken house. Neville, the cockerel, comes over to see what is happening. Cock-a-doodle-doo, he crows. Do, says George. Let's see if the chickens have a surprise for us. In the morning, says Granny Pig. At bedtime, Peppa and George climb into Mummy Pig's old bed. It is very bouncy and comfy, and they sleep soundly until morning when cock-a-doodle-doo! They are awakened by Neville the cockerel's loud cock-a-doodle-doo. Peppa and George quickly get dressed and race outside to see the chicken house. They peep inside. There are 4 eggs in the straw, says Peppa. Well done, Jemima, Sarah and Vanessa, says Granny Pig. That's 1 egg each for breakfast. Thank you for waking us up, Neville, says Peppa. Cock-a-doodle-doo, he crows. Do, says George. And thank you, hens, for our breakfast, Peppa says. Peppa carefully carries the eggs inside using Granny Pig's basket. Boiled eggs for everyone, calls Granny Pig when breakfast is ready. Peppa and George are hungry after all that running about and egg collecting. Granny, your chickens lay yummy eggs, Peppa says. Granny Pig explains that the corn Peppa and George fed the hens makes the eggs taste good. The eggs taste even better because Granny Pig's hens ate my lettuce, grounds Grandpa Pig. And everyone loves even Grandpa Pig. The end. It's a funny story. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching. If you want to read more with me, please subscribe. Let's see you again with another beautiful, funny, adventurous story. Till then, bye-bye. Love you.
BookTube Kids.